Hi everyone, my name's Elena and welcome back to Solve Your Strife. Today I will be going further into detail with Drupal from the last video that I filmed. So again, we are using Drupal through Reclaim.cloud, the environment that will allow you to do all of these types of different web development. So if you want to open and edit your Drupal within the browser, which I recommend doing, you're going to press that. So in the last video, we had just done the basics of creating like a kind of directory where we put in different courses. As you can see here, the name is the title and then the ID or the number of what the college calls it, basic description, and then the college that it's in. So now this video, I will be discussing more in depth into like connections and adding different directories and like linking different directories and within the pages. So as you can see here, this at the bottom is new. I added in classrooms as well as new students, and the students are identified by their student ID numbers. So the classroom that this course is in, if somebody was looking at it to schedule it, they would see that it is in E220, which is in the Westgate building, East 220. So then if you wanted to click and see, well, what is E220? You see none of this other information here has a link that you can follow, but then this does, and it will take you to the directory page about the classroom. So the classroom, it just says it's in the building Westgate and 220. And that's basically it with that. So as you can see here, there are all these classrooms listed, and it only just says the building and the room number, because there can be multiple different classes in each room. You know, there can be an ISD class in Willard 229, and then the next class time slot, there can be, you know, a biology class or an English lecture. So then if we want to look at a student, here you can see these numbers right here. 2468, we'll go to her. Her name is Julia Miller. She is a sophomore, and the course that she is in currently within this directory is networking and telecommunications. So somebody's looking at a person and they're like, oh, I know her. I wonder what class she's taking. Maybe we can be in that together. Click networking and telecommunications, tells them what it is, and then the classroom it's in. So as you can see, everything's just a little bit more connected and it's easier to move around within the directory. And it's just, it shows how all of these work together and how they are working together within the college. You know, they're students and they're taking courses, and what class is the course in, and you want to know like, what does that classroom mean? So yeah, I'm going to show you really quickly how to do this. So on Drupal, if you just want to add new content, it's really, really simple. You just go to the content part at the top of your website, add content, and then choose the type. So you can do pages or articles, but we're not working with those. We're working with these 5 options down here. I want to add another student. So let's say you can put in any random number. We'll say, we'll go backwards, 0987. The full name, let's do Eric Wade. That's a good friend of mine's name. He is a sophomore. And then course name. So this is where you are going to be linking them to a course that they're taking that will then connect them to that course, the classroom it's in, and people can also be connected through the same courses. So let's do Introduction Application Development. That is here. And then all you have to, and then we will add him also, if you want to do, they're in 2 classes, we can also add him to networking and telecommunications like the student Julia was. Save that, and then out here, you'll see his name, Eric, he's a sophomore, and in these 2 courses. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward, and I think that Drupal is a really, really easy development platform to learn, especially when you're just doing a quick and easy homepage with different directories and different little pages such as this with just basic information on it. And I hope you guys learned a little bit more on how to connect all of your data from the last video, and don't forget to watch all my others. Thanks, bye.